Hey guys, EG Scary here, unboxing masks I bought on Amazon. This is part 2. The first one we opened was a knockoff of an Immortal mask. So let's see what this one is. Alright, so this one is also excuse me, very similar to Immortal masks. This one has no ears like the other one did. And this one says, it's upside down. It says, made in China, mask Halloween creep party props. Alright, so let's give it some shape. It's a thicker type of latex. I cannot see any kind of maker's mark. I do believe it is a knockoff of another Immortal mask, or a combination of a couple different Immortal masks. So let's get it on. So one thing I'm noticing as I go to put it on, the only area to breathe is through the nose, and then you have your eyes holes. Alright guys, here it is. You can see as I inhale, the mask sucks in. It looks great on camera, it really does. It looks way better on camera than it does in person. But it sucks not being able to breathe. Look at that, how it sucks in. So, and it is actually poking me in the eyes.
I am a demon, and I reside under your bed. What are you gonna do about it?
Alright guys, well, thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel, give us a big thumbs up, and comment.
You be scary. Out.